नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई जेविन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, assistant professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today's session we are going about discuss the topic plant capacity and machinery and equipment. So let us start the topic plant capacity. The plant capacity also referred to as the production capacity and refers to the volume or number of units, and it can be manufactured during a given period. The several factors having a bearing on the capacity decisions. Technical requirements for many industrial projects and particularly in process type industries. There is a certain and minimum economic size and determined by the technology factors and the input concentrates in the developing country like India, and there may be concentrate on the ability of certain inputs, and the power supply may be limited, and the basic raw materials may be scarce. Foreign exchange available for the imports and may be inaccurate. The concentrates and of these kinds should be borne in the mind and while choosing the plant capacity. Third, investment cost, and when the serious input and concentrations does not obtain the relationship between the capacity and investment cost is an important and concentrations, and typically the investment cost per unit of capacity decreases as the plant capacity increased, and market conditions, the anticipated and market for the product or services has an important beginning on the plant capacity. If the market for the product is likely to be very strong, a plant of a higher capacity is the preferable, and if the market is likely to be uncertain, it might and be advantage to start and with a smaller capacity. If the market is starting and from a small base is expected to grow rapidly, and the initial capacity may be higher and then the initial level of demand. Further, the additions to the capacity may be affected with the growth of market. Investment cost, and when the serious input and constraints does not obtain the relationship between the capacity and investment cost is the important and concentrations the typically, and the investment cost per unit of capacity decrease as per the plant capacity increases. The resources of the firm. The resource and managerial and financial available to the firm and define a limit on the capacity decisions. Obviously, firms and cannot choose a scale of the options and beyond its financial resource and managerial capacity. Government policies. The capacity levels may be influenced by the policy of the government. Machinery and equipment. The machinery and equipment depends upon the production, technology and plant capacity of the proposed project. And while conducting a technical analysis of a project, the following steps must be used to select a machinery and equipment. Steps to select machinery and equipments for a project. Estimate levels of productions over time. Define various machinery and options. The calculate machine and hours required for each type of operations. The select equipment and machinery for each functions. The types of machinery and equipment. The plant equipment, mechanical equipment, electrical equipment or instruments, and the controls and internal transpositions system, the shop parts of the tools and required with the original equipment and for the operational wear and tear. The things to be considered and while selecting the machinery and equipment. The availability of power to run machines and the transporting heavy and equipment, essay of use and import policies of government if the machines are to be imported from foreign countries. The machinery may be procured in a two-way and either by placing different orders to different suppliers or through a turnkey contract. The factor affecting procurement of machinery: the quality of machinery, level of technical and reputations of supplier, expected delivery schedule and payment terms or performance guarantees. So thank you. This session is powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the solving problem. Thank you.